Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. We're here with another video, guys. We got a new item from mashimarho. Oops. And I'll put his Instagram down below, guys. Kind of cute little window decals. Sick. So today's video, I purchased his RGB headlights for the car. And he posted a video. They look pretty sick on his Instagram, so I decided to get them. So we're gonna install them today. Not too late outside. Because of the instructions, it shouldn't be too bad, guys. I got the multicolor one. I know he had yellow and different colors and everything, but I wanted to do the multicolor just because, you know, it's sick. I can have red, yellow, blue, green, whatever. So let's hop into this video real quick. So I know I'm gonna be taking these off right here. It's only 3 torque screws, and we're gonna be tapping into a fuse box and all that. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm just following instructions here. Took off the 3 torque screws. They're T20s. I got them over here in my little magnetic cup holder, so I don't lose them. So next step says use a flat screwdriver to get these boards off the OEM. So once we get them off, leave them connected, and we're just gonna tuck them in and put the new ones. The new ones look like this, a little similar. Has this tape ready, so you don't have to worry about it. See how it goes. All right, guys, so I just disconnected it. We gotta get these boards off here. So I disconnected so I don't have to break anything. We'll go to the table right now and see how we're gonna take these off. I don't want to break them, so we gotta be real careful. Get a skinny flathead. We should be good. All right, guys, so we got one off. What I did was get a flathead tip, wedge it in there, just tap it with a hammer lightly. They're just glued on, so it shouldn't take much. And once I get this one off, I'll clean it up, and then we'll put the new boards in. All right, guys, so what we did was tuck in the wires. We have this wire sticking out. We just snugged these, and right now we're putting the ground cable. So this is where you're gonna connect your ground cable, just like this, and do it nicely, and then we'll mess with the other stuff right now. I just want to look neat, no issues, and yeah. All right, guys, so now that we have the ground connected over here, we have this little wire. It looks like this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off the passenger side cowl. Once you take it off, you're gonna take off the lid off the fuse box, and once you get in here, you're gonna plug that one in to right there. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire, like, just try to wire tech it so it can look clean and connected. And once I do that, I'll show you guys how I routed it. All right, guys, I'm all done. I did the best I could with the wire tuck. Just come down here. It's not gonna pinch anything, so I think I did pretty good, guys. I'm gonna download the app for the LEDs, and then let's see how it looks. Hopefully everything's cool. I got the ground connected, the power, the box, everything's good. The new boards, so hopefully everything's cool. Let me download the app, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Yo, check it out, guys. This thing looks sick. Yo, that shit's sick. Hell yeah, it looks good, guys. We'll take some videos at night. If you guys haven't, follow me on Instagram, OHBS55, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. Appreciate it. These lights I got from mashimarho. He's on Instagram as well. Hopefully this video helps you guys out if you guys decide to get them. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.